on the Pix Morning News.
My new word, vampy. I like it. All right, well, vampires seem to be everywhere, and not just for Halloween. The genre is having an influence in film, music, and much in between, even on me, it seems, these days. I don't know. You just turn sometimes. All right, Michelle Maddock from SheFinds.com is here to show us a few items that are inspired by these creatures of the night. Well, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Come on over. I won't bite you, I promise.
Okay.
All right, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about vampire chic, because it is really chic nowadays to be
it's hot.
vampy.
True Blood, Twilight, all that stuff.
Vampire Diaries.
You want to get a little, vampy, as you said. These are from Michelle Barada. She's a great designer, jewelry designer. You can buy everything at shopmichelle.com.
All right.
And what she has is very kind of antique kind of jewelry with the silver crucifixes.
I'm wearing one of those right now. I don't know if you can see it.
And lockets where you can put Edward's picture.
Oh, I like it. Edward, you got all the names, or Bill Compton from True Blood. So I love it. So we have the lockets here. They're really delicate, though. I like that about it.
So it's not too over-the-top goth.
Okay. Let's talk about the purse, because I thought that was interesting that there would be anything.
Okay. This is no regular purse.
Okay, show me.
This is from 2 Enlight 10. And what it is it has a little secret switch inside that makes it glow.
Oh, I love it. Because these are vamps of the night.
Right.
So they don't
Check
count in the
that
daylight.
out.
That's fabulous.
Fun, huh?
Wow, I like it. A purse that lights up. And what is this necklace?
Okay, so this necklace is from Jewel Smith. This is a little pair of fangs. So they're very little, very cute.
I have my fang marks here. So is this
It's called Edward's Smile. Did Edward do that to you?
I wish. Is that more for kind of a chic look, or more of a subtle look?
It's very low key, but someone gets in close, they're like, fangs, interesting.
Strange. All right, let's talk about for the guys what we have here.
So these are cuffs that are, you've seen these before, but these are like a nice new kind of cuff. You put them on.
And do guys wear them?
Guys can wear them, or, women can wear them too. They have a nice women's version that's more sparkly crystal. I love it. Dimano.
Dimano, okay. And where can we get those on the website?
Dimano.com or Dimano Designs, but all of it's going to be on SheFinds.com, so let's go there after.
Fabulous.
Okay.
All right, let's move over to makeup, because Diane spent a lot of time doing my makeup this morning to make sure that
You don't have that all the time?
No, I don't. I don't.
All right, so this is from Luna Twilight. This is makeup that's inspired by the movie Twilight, because we all want to look like Bella.
Okay,
Please.
I know.
Beautiful.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? So it's very luminous, very kind of sparkly, so you can see you in the dark.
I love it. We're looking at the makeup right there. So we've got the glosses.
Right, glosses, a body glow,
okay,
a palette, and everything has infused a little bit of sparkle.
Fabulous. All right, let's move on, because kids are involved in this vampire genre too, correct?
Right. So this is for kids. It's a little rubber ducky, and it's a soap, and the rubber ducky's in it, so get your kid to wash their hands. Playing with the ducky. This is from.
What is everyone so thrilled about vampires? 'Cause I love them. Like, I can't get enough. Are they mysterious, sexy?
Yeah, romantic.
Everything.
It's all that history.
All right, let's go on to the next one right there.
Just bubbly.
All right, and then for the home, because that's where you really set the mood for things.
Right. I am a candle fiend.
So am I.
And this is from Dana Decker. And what's really cool about these is they're eco, so you don't get all that soot in your house. Right. But they have this wooden wick that flickers and crackles like a fire.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much for being vampy with me this morning, Michelle. It's always good to see you. And, of course, for more on where to find these fabulous items, visit our blog at WPIX.com/morningnews, and be sure and stick around, because we're going to be having fun with vampires all morning long. Our Lisa Mateo is going to learn what it's like to write a vampire novel from 2 top-selling authors. And don't forget to check out Vampire Diaries. That's tonight right here on Pix. The news.